Commandant Chief w'Empungi mu office ya Prime Minister Daniel Kisamo yahamye kandi najara ngo Empungi zaba ziryo mu Nyakabande Transit Centre nicorora be byo kwerinda okukorogwabo.
As of yesterday, you'd see the movement at the border reduced, and you'd see, I think we estimate around 2,000 people maybe still in the communities that we need to sensitize that the borders are not safe for now, and also staying in the community. We are discouraging the host community to keep people because they don't know them.
Nagira ngo ikintu kiza kuyamba ba UNHCR okubareberera kurungi.
For now, the Office of the Prime Minister is doing the coordination part and of all the partners, and also to liaise also with the district and security. And then we have UNHCR who are mainly into international protection.
Obirara RDC wa Kisoro Captain Peter Mugisha nagira ngo embero muri Bunagana nimbe munonga ahabwe Empungi.
Our forces were on the borderline and we were keeping our border. Maybe if we called it Congo, but we were keeping our border so that we may not get any problem as a country.
Empungi zo zagera ngo zishazere mu Kongo mu ihanga rya DRC bwa nyuma y'abahekera ba M24 okubashoborera ngo bagaruce mu Uganda ahakuba government ya DRC remerwa kwikiriza endagano yakozere n'abahekera.
Muri Kongo hameze nabi cyane, twaratesetse ku myaka 25 turi gutese kuko turananiwe tugiye mu
hano nabona ko tuje turi kwiruka kari abanyarwanda sinone tuje turi kwiruka baduhamurwa turi no gushingirira none baraduhamuye tuje turi kwiruka.
Kwabahekera banaraho si kandi nabo n'abasirikare ba guverinoma kubanaraho ngaho kuba ari kurebana gutya kuba tubye ngo tuvemo ngo tutameneka amaraso gacu tukavamo ubwo twaturiya ni Buganda no twakora iki.
Babavuji b'ebitrera bagira ngo tibine cyo kurya habwo kuva baremerwa kutaho muri DRC okutwara yemari.
Waliwe zimaziwa ne wiki 3 omuntu wabanga batugeze sente bayazijja mu bank sente zibazitudde kati so abakulu n'abakulu bakanye
loji yebiri ntwale 3 omaziwa ne banga sente zikuweddeko kale nosanga ogenda okuvayo okudde wakanga sente zokolera wazirya dda.
Aba medical teams bashobora kubaruhereza abantu abo bujanjabi.
We do the nutrition screening for the pregnant and lactating mothers plus the children under 5 years.
Ubwa hata babombekira amahema kandi nababanza no kubakebera gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.